Hi, I'm Skyrim. I'm making this video because I've seen a handful of people have a problem with undefined variables, including me. I'm going to jump right in it. I made a global variable. You can use armor variables or whatever you want, key variables, but I'm going to use global variable because it's the most basic of all. So we're going to go to a quest or a scene or whatever you need this in. We're going to the script and let's just say we want this variable to be 2. So this variable will be 2 when the NPC is done talking. Let's compile. So as you can see, this has a big error. The variable is undefined. So what you gotta do right now is just click OK and place down a semicolon. Okay, so just click compile and just exit out. Don't do cancel, just click OK. And we're going back in, and now we can go to properties. And we're going to add a property. A property is like so that the script knows what to do. We're going to add our global variable. The name can be anything, but I suggest you just do the name of the variable so that the CK knows what to do with it. So just click OK again. Okay, so now you have a little cute little... what's that? It's a cute little pencil next to it. So that means it's good. It's good to go. Let's click compile again. And... no errors. So I hope this was a little bit helpful to you guys. I've searched everywhere for YouTube for this very specific little annoying error. This little fix. But I can't find it anywhere. So I made it myself. Okay. Talk to you later. Or not. Bye. Bye.